Hey guys, so in this tutorial I would like to talk about the packages. So most R packages are available from CRN, that is like comprehensive R archive network. It's a like official R repository. It's a network of servers, so something called a mirrors, which are like around the world. And packages on CERN CRN are checked before they publish, just to make sure they don't have any malicious component, and downloading packages from car is therefore like generally considered to be safe. So I will use the ggplot in the next few videos, and we are going to install that package. So packages are something, it's a set of code which is written by somebody else, and we are just going to use it, so we don't have to rewrite it. And the command to install the packages is install packages. So let's see what that does. So this is a function which is used to install packages. You type install.packages and the name of that package, and there are other options are available. You can go through this help file. So for now we are going to use install packages for ggplot. ggplot 2. And as you can see in the console, it will go through the CRN site and start downloading the package. So this package ggplot successfully unpacked, and MD5 some check test means it is downloaded. And we can see the list of packages which are available here. As you can see, these are the packages which are available in my system. And whenever you install new one, you will get that particular package list here. And this checkbox means is this is already loaded. So as you can see that if I go to ggplot, it is installed but it is not loaded. So for that you can use library and the name of package. So now this is loaded, or also you can use the require. So both will work. So in case there is some error in the installation, you can go through the error message. Basically, it can be some of the permissions issue, but in most of the cases, this is the process to install the package. So we'll see how to use this package which you have installed, how we can use that. List of package you can see here, and the command used to install packages install.package, and these are to load the package in the memory, you can say, or uh, in the project. Yep, that's it. Thank you guys.